In this video, we will use the Java key tool to create a self-signed certificate and matching key pair. Open Terminal and run the following command as it appears on screen. In the alias option, the alias provided must be Tomcat SSL. In the extension option, use the SAN argument to list the host names used for the common name and the subject alternative names in the certificate. At the following prompts, enter the information as requested. For the first prompt, what is your first and last name, instead enter the common name for the server. The Jetty key tool displays a review of the information entered. If the information is correct, enter yes. A warning appears explaining that the Jetty key tool creates key stores in the Java proprietary JKS format. This can be disregarded. The self-signed certificate, private key, and public key are created into the key store.